Hey there, let's talk about nesting, which is basically just a loop inside another loop. This means you can create a loop from a list of items that lives inside another list in the source you're using with Documint. For this example, we'll use Airtable linked records. Imagine you have a linked record in the table that integrates with Documint, and inside that linked table, there's another linked record you want to grab values from. To access this data in Documint, you just need to expand the first level of your list, click the plus sign, and then expand the second level. This way, you'll be able to see the fields from that list. You can drag and drop these fields right into your template from the token pane. Once you add a token, click on the row it's in to create your loop. Head over to the Edit Logic section and set it to repeat or loop. For the list field option, choose the linked record from the first level. With that done, select the element holding the nested item and loop over the linked record on the second level. And voila, you've got your nesting set up. If you want to go even deeper, just nest more rows as needed. If you ever need a hand with nesting, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're here to help. Catch you later.